folks, this has been a long time coming. I forgot to do this ages ago, so I'm going to complete this lesson by showing you the 2 solos that we have in I Could Have Lied by Red Hot Chili Peppers. Some lovely stuff from John Frusciante in this one. Tone-wise, I'm using the small speaker overdrive from Great Eastern Effects. Sounds like this. Also using the in-between pickups, second position, so I'm using these 2 pickups because it gives you that, you know. So I think that gets closest to the tone. So you want something a little bit gritty, but not too distorted. It's quite a gnarly sort of tone, so I'm fancying this for that. Standard tuning, let's crack on with the first part, shall we? I'll play through the first 4 bars we have. Alright, so let's slow that down. Quick slide from 5 to 4. Grace note. And a slower slide there. More deliberate. If you really want to get it, you know, bang on with the feel that he uses. Lots of feel in this one, actually. So we have... pretty straightforward. Then we do a full step bend on the 9th fret. Bend it up or, you know, down towards the floor, I mean. So you're bending it up, holding it, picking it again and releasing. And to this 10th fret here. Then this part. Pretty straightforward, but again slowly. Here you're going to do some artificial harmonics. And I would aim just in front of the middle pickup there. This works for this guitar anyway, so try that. It's not a... you know, it's not a really high one. It's just, it almost kills it a bit dead as well, really. Just gives it a bit more quack, doesn't it? So you're going to do full step bend on the 12th. 11. 7. Then next couple of bars go like this. 3, 4. Into this part, right? You know, etc. So let's just do these 2 bars because this has got a bit more going on. So we come out of this. A little bit going on, isn't there? So we have a pull off here, and then a rest, and then just some unison bends, right? And then again. Then 3 triplets. And then back into... So I bank my first finger on the 7th fret when I get to these unison bends. So here, not banked there. Banked there. Because then that bit's easier to play, okay? That bit's straightforward, but lovely. Next part then goes. And then we're on to the sort of last part of the solo. So let's go for this bit again. Now, after the triplet, I've banked my first finger on the B and the G. Okay, so we have... There, it's banked. So I can play... You don't have to. You could play... You know, move your finger down. But a lot easier, I find, anyway, if you bank it there. So, again... And again there. Quite a lot of stuff on adjacent strings. Same fret, right? Then... Got that going on. I don't think he picks it, actually. He plays... But, up to you. So that whole part... Lovely, that bit, isn't it? So again, grace note, hammer on. Down one string. To the 10th fret. Then we go... This is the next beat of the next bar. So slide. Hammer on. And you can either hammer on or pick that last part. It's a full step bend there on the 17th fret on the B. Then you've got that going on, really lovely. Into that part. So full step bend, this is... Got this shape going on, but it's 15th fret, bent up full. Phrasing here is interesting because you've got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then you end the bar with into the next bar for those unison bends. So. That going on. Again, one more time. And then you got this part. Okay, that's cool. Lots of feel in that part. So add some dynamics in there, don't play it all. You know, it's got much more. Yeah, it sort of fades out at the end, doesn't it? Like that. That is the whole first solo. The second solo comes in like this. 3, 4. That's the first part. There's a little run that comes in next, which is a little bit fiddly, but we have more unison bends. So, down one string. And then we go into... Lovely, isn't it? Pretty straightforward, that. This next bar is a little bit trickier. We have this. Like that. There's a lot of little, you know, stuff going on in this, so don't worry too much about it. But grace note hammer on, 12 to 14, and then a little, you know, noisy whack or whatever. Then we got this. Note this bit, and then. that stuff going on, right? So, from the beginning. Something along those lines, right? Then there's kind of a series of descending bends. So we start here, and then we go. So that would go like this. Like that, okay? So pretty straightforward. I'm not going to badger on too much about that one, but we'd have, and then on the fourth beat, so that hangs over into the next bar. Then we have, same again hit, but 11, 12. This is a half step bend though. Then we change position and we go down to the 9th fret. And then we have this part. That again would be 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And then we have. You end on that. E minor, I think. And that, folks, is it. You're done. Hope you enjoyed it. See you soon.